It is now 4 p.m. on October 30th Beijing time. Last Friday, the video recommended long positions in EURUSD below 1.0506. The lowest price after the issue was 1.0536. It rose to 1.0596, 30 points ahead of the entry point, with a cumulative increase of 60 points. Besides, it is also recommended to sell short in EURUSD above 1.0613. The highest price is only 1.0596. There is no chance to enter the market, and it falls to 1.0547 in advance, with a total drop of 39 points. Then there is gold. On Friday afternoon, it was recommended to go long below 1972. Later, it was reported that Qatar was accelerating the mediation of the ceasefire in Gaza. The risk-aversion sentiment cooled down slightly. The gold price fell to as low as 1976.8, which is $4.8 away from the long point. In the early hours of Saturday morning, Israel suddenly expanded its ground attack. A large amount of safe haven premiums supported the price of gold to rise as high as 2009.3, with a cumulative increase of 325 points. Although the direction of the pending orders was correct, there was no chance to enter the market, and it was not included in the transaction order statistics chart. The global geopolitical situation is now in a tense and difficult period. Conflicts are raging among various countries in order to compete for some survival resources. The economic depression has caused the financial market to fluctuate and rise and fall sharply. All traders and retail investors should avoid risks and prepare to face the storm. The Laudai team has also adjusted the cooperation model. Those who copy trading are free of costly fees and only get a share of profits, so there's no restriction on which broker they open. This is the profit trend chart of Laudai's main account from October 1st to today. The cumulative profit is $53,095, which relies on manual entry orders and limit orders, as well as the profits that come out bit by bit from the EA automatic trading. The main account has been publicly displayed for more than 3 years. If you are interested, you can contact me to get the observation password. The initial funds for copy trading ranging from $5,000 to $150,000. After observing, you can consider the specific cooperation model that suits you. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. The Fed's focus is still on suppressing inflation, but the core PCE data released by the United States last Friday has cooled down, reducing the possibility of further raising interest rates. The probability of the Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates in the early morning of Thursday is almost zero. The focus is on Powell's attitude at the press conference, and the sign revealed how long high interest rates will be maintained. The trend in EURUSD lacks a clear direction, and it is expected that the market is waiting for more news before daring to enter the market in a big way. The support below 1.0520 to 1.0480 in EURUSD is still valid. It is recommended to go long at 1.0523 to 1.0460 during the day, with stop loss at 1.0448. Gold broke through the 2000 level last Friday due to the news that Israel suddenly expanded ground operations during the hostage exchange process. The next trend depends on the situation in the Middle East, and it is difficult to predict in the short term. Although everyone does not want to see it, the global geopolitical situation is no longer an undercurrent, but an increasingly frequent storm. Currently, gold is still in a bullish trend. You can wait for the retracement to look for opportunities before going long. You can go long with a short position at 1979 to 1966 during the day. Put a stop loss at 1964. In addition to European gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil, including their support, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Laudai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Nietzsche.